In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Google Form theme. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share another quick tutorial with you. Today, we'll dive into a fun and straightforward topic, how to customize the theme of your Google Form. Whether you're preparing a survey, creating a quiz, or just gathering some information, a personalized form can make all the difference. So let's jump right in without wasting any time. To start, you'll want to open your Google Form. Now, look up to the upper section of your screen, and you should see a button that says Customize Theme. It's really easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that. This button usually features a paint palette icon, which is a little hint that we're about to get creative. Once you click on the Customize Theme button, a panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. This panel is your playground for theme customization. So let's explore your options. First up, you will see a section labeled Theme. Here, you can adjust various elements, including the text style. This means you can decide what font your questions and answers will be displayed in. It's a great way to match the vibe of your form to your intended audience. Next, there's an option to change the background color. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Choose a color that complements your content or goes well with your brand. Simply click on the background color option, and a palette of colors will appear. You can select from the preset options or even create a custom color if you're feeling particularly adventurous. One of the best features of Google Forms is the ability to change your header image. To add a personal touch or to make your form look more professional, click on the section that says Image Upload. Here, you can either upload your own image or select one from your photo library. If you have a logo or any custom graphics that represent the theme of your form, this is the perfect spot to showcase them. If you prefer quick customization, Google Forms also provides some default images to choose from. Simply click Select Image and browse through the options. This can save you time if you're looking to set up your form quickly without getting too bogged down in customization choices. Now, if all you want is a really simple look, that's completely fine as well. Sometimes, sticking with a clean, minimalist theme can be very effective, especially if the content of your form is the main focus. Remember that the design should complement the purpose of the form. Don't let it overshadow the message you're trying to convey. Once you've made all your changes and are happy with how the form looks, don't forget to check everything over. Preview your form to see how it looks from the audience's perspective. You can do this by clicking on the eye icon at the top right of the screen. This way, you can ensure everything feels cohesive and visually appealing. And there you have it. Customizing your Google Form theme can be a quick and enjoyable process that adds a dash of personality to your work. I hope this brief tutorial was helpful and that you're excited to try it out for yourself. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye for now.